He is his friend as well, right? He is also going to complete his course today. And Mr. Harinder, can you tell me something about your experience? You learned English from here, and what did you learn here, and how our classes are different from others? And could you tell me something?
I am Harinder Daur in front of you. I am going to tell you about something. It is very fantabulous, and today we are going to finish it, and I think I will miss it a lot. And I learned from here many things like vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. Earlier, when I didn't join the American Institute, I couldn't speak anything, a single word of English. Like if anybody asked me to that where I'm from, I didn't know how can I respond that. But today I can tell them everything what I know, what I learned here, and I can say that American is very fabulous to others institutes, as I met too many students of other institutes, as I met to Cambridge Institute, ABCL Institute student, and he couldn't speak anything in front of me, and they tried to speak, they made many mistakes. First of all, they didn't know how can we speak, and I asked to him, what do you want to be? He didn't know what is it means, and I saw them notebooks. There was writing everything in Hindi.
He is also one of the students. His name is Mr. Sumit, and he also joined American Institute a few days back. He would like to tell you something about his experience, what he learned from here, and how he feels today.
Good morning, everybody. Hi, I am Sumit. Today I am happy because I joined AIL before 3 years back, but I couldn't come regular. But now I've been coming to AIL before 7 months, and now I can say I am smart at speaking. I came to know a lot of things here. I learned pronunciation, how to pronounce the words, and I came to know how to define the words. And there are many facilities in here, and like as there are 5 or 6 dictionaries here to go through, and there are English grammar books here. It's a good place to learn English. I can say if somebody want to join, they can join.
Thank you, Mr. Sumit. Thank you, Mr. Sumit. Understand, they also would like to tell you something about their experiences, how they felt, and did they enjoy their classes or not, and the classes are different from other institutes or not, and what are the main differences between our class and others. So Mr. Rishabh wants to say something.
Hello guys, I am Rishabh in front of you, and I would like to share my experience of AIL. Actually, before joining AIL, I was not able to communicate with people very well. But after joining AIL, I am well now to communicate and to face any interview and to face any communication. Its full credit goes to none other than Mr. Pawan sir, and of course AIL as well. And here there are very good facilities and sound facilities, and actually the main reason behind it that the material we observe here, it is provided by BBC Council as well. So the standard of AIL is very high, other than institute in Secunderabad and anywhere else. So I think that my experience is very good, and everyone should join AIL. So thank you. It's my share.
Okay. Mr. Rohit, right? Rohit would like to tell you something about his experience and how he feels after completing his course and what he learned from here. Rohit, could you tell something about your experience?
First of all, good morning everyone. Actually, I want to tell you something about what I have felt here. It is something special thing. Suppose that you are learning something. Everybody learns, and you are also learning. But when you learn with interest, with different ways, it feels special, because everybody going to succeed, but everybody does like a rat race, a bear chart. But you are learning with a different ways. You also feel that what are you learning? And what I have learned here, that was very special feeling, because I have learned a lot of knowledge here. I felt like a family, not a batch. Always I felt like a family here, and I have learned a lot of things what I couldn't learn from others, from other side, from any other teacher. That's my opinion. Thank you.